A selection of luck and skill on the road today. Red light running, blind spots, and road conflicts. Note the Corvette coming into the intersection.
Yeah. It's selfish. Your stupid Corvette.
This video is from a subscriber. The truck ran a red light. Good thing the driver of the Toyota looked left. Who's right and who's wrong here? I look forward to the responses in the comments. Arlington, Massachusetts. Attention to the car that pulled out in front of the truck. He obviously didn't like it. All eyes on the Kia minivan on the right.
Goddamn.
Some old lady who can't see a big white oversized truck. A bicyclist decided to jump in front of an SUV that went through a green light. He was very lucky that he jumped back from the car rather than getting hit by it. The Chevy broke down in the middle of the road and caused a dangerous situation.
What in the holy...
In the evening, a group of deer decided to run across the road.
Bike, 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 bike.
At a four-way stop, a bicyclist decided not to stop and almost gets hit. Thankfully, my passenger was able to alert me in time. A couple minutes later, the cyclist made an even more dangerous maneuver. He ran a red light at an intersection. Driver of that silver Toyota RAV4 was too impatient just to wait a few seconds. Next time, his car will be smashed and get a lesson that he deserves. Driving along at the speed limit on a back road, and this delivery van pulls out from the stop sign directly into my path of travel.
What the f are you f***ing doing?
Oh my God.
What a f***ing idiot.
Crazy driver, Sarasota, Florida. It took me 3 times watching the clip to realize where it came from.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Dumb. That's why I tell you, go. He cut behind that man. Especially in the rain, don't go fast. Slow down. Slow down.
Yeah.
My sister nearly got hit by a semi a couple days ago because another truck merged into the semi's lane. Then she had to get onto the shoulder to avoid the contact or a collision. I'm thankful she was alert and was able to avoid an accident. I was just leaving the parking lot after school, and this entitled kid decided he could cut me off and didn't like that I honked at him, so he gave me the finger. Author's text. Another driver, who can't seem to figure out how to properly merge, probably used to people caving when they try to bully their way in. Dealer plate, way too risk destroying your employer's vehicle and the one you are towing over your ego, bro.
What are you doing? I don't have to move for you. Idiot. How dumb do you have to be? Where's your brake pedal? Huh? Where's your brake pedal?
I didn't move an inch for this fool and not even once tapped the brake or adjusted my cruise control. Typical coward.
Come on, cut me off. Hit me. I ain't intimidated. I ain't gonna move an inch.
That hard lately. It's just that guy, that other Ryan.
The huge red truck is truly invisible. A dangerous situation that ended with a happy ending.
Use your mirrors or no, dude? Thank you for the apology, but just look next time, okay? I said thank you for the apology, just look next time, dude. You could have me out. Thank you.
Close call, stomped on brakes and horn. I originally assumed this person was just getting over a single lane, but had my eye on him just in case. Of course, they decided to cut across 2 lanes without even looking. It happened on I-410 South Service Road in San Antonio. The driver of the Dodge decided to save 5 minutes.
Save video.
I was on my way home and almost didn't make it. I was going straight and she was making a left. When the light was green, I proceeded forward, and for reasons unknown to me, she decided to try and make her turn in front of me. It was a lot closer than it appears on camera. Was leaving a gas station. I kind of noticed the truck before he swerved. Still didn't know what he was doing before that, but I do give him props for swerving. But man, after I looked at the video, he was really close that I would have been my first time in a car crash. I came very close to being hit on my Triumph. So scary.
Oh my God.
Road Tracks. Check out the Healthy Happy Hour 3 to 5 p.m. every Monday through Friday. And try their most popular menu items from us. Baby greens.
Another fan of saving 5 minutes and almost getting hit by a truck. And another clip from a subscriber. Thanks for watching and have a great day.